So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add lines to a design here on Fotor. So once you guys open up Fotor, I want you to go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on Elements. Now, when you're here, you can go to the top and press on Lines right here to get to this page, or you can also scroll down to where it says Line and press on See All. Now, once you're here, a variety of different lines are on the left hand side of your screen. So if you just wanted to add a basic line, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go to the top left right here in regards to the thickness or the thinness of the line. You can also change the color to whatever you want as well. If you wanted to maybe add, a dotted line, you can go ahead and do that. You can also change the color and the thickness as well by doing the exact same thing, just in regards to this. So yeah, very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add some lines to your design here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.